Hell yeah. At the Ricer house. Jesse over there. He's hella drunk. Sloppy drunk right now. About to put in some springs. Got the Subi. I didn't pick up my vape yet, but you know, gotta have the vape. So this car would be perfect for Jesse.
Yeah. I'll get you a starter kit, bro.
Oh, thanks. And we also got a Z1 exhaust for the G. Damn, trumpet gang. Check that out.
Yeah,
this thing's gonna be clean. Hella rice. True. You need to get that CD09.
Shit's expensive.
For real, I think I saw one for like 800.
Yeah. And like if you want to buy it from like eBay and shit, dude.
Oh hell
It's
no.
like fucking 1200, 1500.
Yeah.
I mean, I think the TNs have the same spring rate as mine, so it might be a little bouncy, bro.
Oh, for real? Battery's running low.
There it is.
Ooh!
You gonna take that off or what?
Yeah, I got the new method right here. This fuckboy is all excited. We got the FedEx truck coming. Clutch. Dang, that's a sick knife. Hey, everyone look at his address.
You probably did get it on.
Ooh! Oh, damn, I'm hella jelly.
ISR.
Oh, shit. How does that Z1 sound? Sound like a chicken, bro.
Slide it on the knuckle first, or
No. You wanna put it, you know.
slide it up first?
Yeah, slide up. Yeah, slide in the DMs, you know.
I'm about to slide.
Oh, you know, you ain't got no game.
I got you here, right?
Oh! Nah, I'm just using you for your garage, bro. So. Oh.
You and your carp ass outside.
Shit, I almost ripped my little sensor thing off.
You gotta be very careful about that.
Huh?
Be careful about that.
Sure.
I think it will be either 2 people.
Like,
So one can lock up the nut top.
nah, it's a race.
Alright. Oh, you're already cheating, bro.
How? How's this cheating? This is the way to do it. On the studs?
No, the tread on the.
Oh, the tires? I know, it's alright. The tires on the BMW were kind of a little bit better.
Does he? So has he been complaining about anything?
No, he sold it. He sold it like not even like 4 days after. And then it's like this Alright, we just dropped the front. Huge difference. This isn't gonna be the setting point. After driving a little bit, it's gonna go down probably another 1/4 inch, but huge difference. I'll show you a picture before and after. And with the lip, it's gonna look way better. What'd you say?
Huge difference.
Shut the fuck up, boy. So he drives a Ricer, so. Oh yeah. He's got the Z1 single exit exhaust, 3-inch. Ooh. And then the ISR white pipe just came in. Shout out FedEx. And now we gotta take out the rear seats. The bolts should be right here.
You just untwist it off or what?
No idea. Never done this before.
Flathead or something?
My first Subaru. I'm already racing it. Alright, we found these the bolts here. Should be 12s. Just here ripping up my carpet. Alright, I'm gonna make this into a custom couch.
Weight reduction.
Yeah, we don't need this. Psych! Ooh, free pen! Shout out Rivermark.
I don't know. Nigga's mom's black.
Wait, you're black?
Nigga's mom. My girl.
Your girl's black?
Yeah, she's half black.
Shut up.
Dude, she has a black ass name. Monica, dude.
Dude, I know, I was just gonna say her name is
Ranch.
a ranch.
Oh, look at the impact. This shit helps.
Nah, you don't get it.
Fuck you.
Wow. Alright, a lot of fighting, a lot of clawing, a lot of bleeding.
Well, none of us bled.
Hey, shut up over there.
You
But,
got
nah.
You bitch.
Anyways,
You bitch.
we got it done. Well, almost. Still gotta tighten up from the top, put the back seats back in, and then we're done. Alright, tightening down the rear seat. Jesse's cross-threading all my bolts. You know, typical. Hell, and Jesse's scratching my paint right here. Damn. Why'd you scratch my paint though?
I don't know, it's pretty ugly. I thought it would make a difference.
Damn, savage. Alright, the car's on the ground again. Pretty noticeable difference. After driving it, it will go down like maybe 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Got my slave doing the hard work, tightening down my
Fuck you.
wheels. Oh yeah, these are some Sparko wheels. Pretty cool wheels. I've never had Sparko wheels before, but these are nice. Yeah, it definitely looks a lot lower. I like the front, but with a nice wash and detail, this thing will look really nice.